Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's December the 22nd, 2021. I wanted to talk about Polkadot today on this video. Guys, take a look. Look at my chart. Yeah, I was playing the strength into the market in Polkadot on December the 1st, and it didn't do that. But recently, I would say over the last 2 days, we saw some resurgence in price movement in Polkadot. So can the surge continue? I want to speak on that today, right? I want to show you all that not only am I going to be fully transparent in what I expect the market to do versus what actually happened, I'm going to give you all that so we can continue to learn for ourselves and become more proficient as to how the market really works. And then I'm going to give you all another price prediction for Polkadot. So if you guys appreciate the videos, appreciate the price predictions, hit the like button, share the video. Also subscribe here to the channel because I am not going to give you a whole lot of fun, a whole lot of FOMO. I'm not here to pump up these cryptocurrencies. If the price is going to go down, it's going to go down. If the price is going to go up, then it's going to go up. I'm going to predict where I'm looking for the market to go without the confusion. So let's talk about what happened last time though. Like I said, December the 1st, I was playing the strength to the market in Polkadot, right? And instead of price going up, take a look. It dipped. Price continued to fall in Polkadot. Yeah, I didn't get it right. I admit. This price prediction that I talked about on December the 1st did not pan out right. Now let's learn from it though, so that the next time we see this, we can be well prepared in Polkadot. So now I was playing the strength into the market in Polkadot because of this reason right here. Okay. Now you guys can tell that as price in Polkadot was coming up here towards $38, right? That obviously meant that was the lid. This is where the sellers are at. Okay. Now I want you all to see this though, because we cannot act like we couldn't know that. Take a look. The market in Polkadot back here on November the 16th, all the way till November the 25th, it was upholding $38 as support. That meant that the buyers were still in control. But on November the 26th, look at this. The market broke it, right? We broke that to the downside. That was an indication that the sellers were still moving the market lower. But wait, the buyers were still coming back into the market trying to continue to allow Polkadot to go up. But they was only allowed to bring price up to $38, right here to where the market was acting as support. So this is the cause as to why Polkadot did not go up. I mean, you can even extend out this line here back in September. Wow, look at that. See, we already knew, or we should have known, that this area could be a probable spot to where sellers are at right there. The answer was already here the whole time, September. Now, technical indicators cannot tell you that. Reading articles cannot tell you that. You will have to literally understand that, yeah, the last time the market came up here in September to $38, we did see price come down. So it's not a surprise to see that happen again. So that is how we can learn on the next round that we need to see whether or not buyers are able to overcome previous areas of selling. That's it. All right. So market in Polkadot even wasn't able to hold price around 32. So if you wasn't able to get out at the low to where we said support could be 12.25%, if you were to get out now, you're around 28.25% down, right? So let me go ahead and get rid of this, because obviously you guys can see here that the market in Polkadot is not actually in a very good trend. I mean, you can look at Solana's market. Solana market is very strong. You can look at Terra Luna's market. Those markets are literally giving us price action like this. The market is actually continuing to go up. That shows you that's a buyer's market. That shows you that is a very demanding market, meaning that people want to buy those cryptocurrencies. But you're not seeing that in Polkadot, right? You're not seeing that indication that the market in Polkadot really wants to continue that trend. We started this downtrend in Polkadot in November, and you guys can still see that we're still going through that today. Now, let me see though. We might get some strength on a daily basis, because you guys can see this here. that the market in Polkadot, again, we are seeing to where the buyers are at. Okay, this is going to be important because we will have to have the buyers maintain price in Polkadot right there around $24, $23. Okay, we will have to see that. This is the 3-day time frame in Polkadot. Now, yes, this current 3-day price bar is signaling, excuse me, that price wants to go up. It is. Okay, it looks good right now, but we still got a day and 12 hours left before this completes. So we cannot be dependent on recognizing buyers controlling the market just yet. So this is the 5-day. All right, we just completed this 5-day price bar right here. Now, this is a probable precursor of strength. This simply means that price will have to close higher on this current 5-day price bar above it, because if we do, then we are understanding that the buyers did successfully hold up price above 23. But that is an ongoing process, meaning that it's not done yet. So we cannot be too reliant on what we're getting right now on the 5-day time frame. Now, this is the thing right here. Okay, this is the weekly time frame in Polkadot. Look how we ended last week. The only way that I will become a little bit more bullish into the market in Polkadot is if I were to see price on this current weekly price bar in the next 4 days and 12 hours, if we close at the high of the bar, just like we are now. But I got to give it 4 days and 12 hours. And as price continue to inch higher and higher in Polkadot, let's say the market was able to close at the high up here, right? Then I will be bullish into the market in Polkadot. But I got to give myself 4 days and 12 hours. See, again, everything is not a rush. Everything you just might need to wait and chill out in these particular markets. Everything is not a play. And as I'm looking at this chart in Polkadot, I'm kind of seeing that this may not be a play. Because as I extend out these time frames, I mean, right here is still showing me that the market generally is weak. So what I'm getting at is, as I look at these time frames, I'm understanding that I really won't become bullish into the market in Polkadot until I'm able to see this price literally probably break above $30, right? I really won't expect the market to really give us a massive movement to the upside until we see a price break above $30. Until that time, we all have to recognize that price is going down. I'm just saying. Okay, so look at this on the weekly. 5 weeks. Look at this. Over the last 5 weeks, the previous 5 weeks, market in Polkadot dropped 46%. Yeah, look at that. And not only did it drop, it closed down here on the low end of the bar. So we need to be careful. It's pretty much what I'm trying to tell you all. Now, if you're trying to scout the market, if you're just trying to swing trade this market, you might have an opportunity to grab some profitability here. But like I told you, it is not massively strong though. Okay, there is strength on the price chart in Polkadot right now. Yes, that's right now though. But I am suspecting that sellers are at $28 and even $30 though. Most definitely. Okay. So let me do this here. I am going to play the strength into the market in Polkadot, but it's not going to be a pretty big move. So like, if it's not going to be worth the opportunity, I'm not going to do it. Okay. Because I am seeing that $28 is restriction, meaning that I can see selling start at $28 and push Polkadot's price back down right there. That's only 4.25%. My second area will be up there around 30. And that's about it. I mean, that's 11.5% profitability, but this is not one of those plays to where you need to continue to hold the market in Polkadot, because you saw it on the long-term basis that the market is still generally weak and the buyers hasn't shown themselves to actually control the price yet. We have to consider this movement right here, right? We got to consider that. And we might consolidate for a couple of days, but then the continuation lower may happen until we see more strength come in on a longer time frame. And we're not seeing that yet. So what I'm going to do, yes, I'm going to play this to the upside into the market in Polkadot, but I'm not bullish. Okay, I'm just playing the strength. Let me go ahead and get rid of this. And I got two areas. So this might happen relatively quick. It might happen tomorrow, it might happen the day after tomorrow, and that might be the only opportunity we have to nibble off this play. And that's it. 28 and 30. That's it. All right. So now I want you all to tell me though, what is your preference as to where you think the market in Polkadot is going to go into 2022, right? Over the next couple of days. This is not a long-term play, but I want you all to tell me, where do you think the market in Polkadot is going to go? All right, hit me up and let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different. This is easy. Don't make it complicated.